Back to another video. So today we are discussing how you can customize your start bar. Okay, so before we do that, if you are new in this channel, please subscribe this channel and follow the bell and click the bell icon. Okay, so let's do it. So we can see that we are using Windows 11 and it start here you can see the start bar is open in center. Okay, if you want to open it and left hand side, how you can do that? You just have to right click on your start bar settings. When you right click on your start bar settings, it will open. Okay, when it will open, you can see the start bar settings. Okay, here when you see the start bar settings, you just have to follow one settings. It called taskbar behavior. Okay, taskbar behavior. When you click on taskbar behavior, you can see the taskbar alignment. Taskbar alignment, here the taskbar alignment is default center. Okay, so just you have to click on left. When you click on left, it move on left hand side. You can see the taskbar is opening right now the left hand side. Okay, so this is the first way. When you do that, you can see other settings also. Okay, these all are the taskbar settings you can see, and just like I'll do it the demo. Okay, just automatically hide the taskbar. So how we can do that? Just you can check it. When you check it, the taskbar automatically hide. Okay, so these kind of settings, these are common settings. Also we can go to personalize. When you click in personalize, you can see here the start. Okay, so just click on start. When you click on start, there are many options here. You can select. I have select more recommended option. Okay, there are many other options. Okay, just like this one. Okay, when I click here, I can see this one. Okay, access your mobile or device. If you don't want to see this, you just have to uncheck it. Now I have unchecked it, and you can see the notification is erased. Okay, I can't see that notification. So that's it. And if you like this video, subscribe this channel and follow the bell icon. Bye.